Today we're at DIY Auto Repair and we're going to be doing an install on my friend's exhaust on his 2016 Subaru WRX manual. So we're taking this car right here and we're going to be putting this catback exhaust N1 from Invidia onto it. And let's get started. We got to take out these two spring bolts right here. That's the cat up front. Take those spring bolts out, and from there back we're going to be replacing. So everything from here, the Y pipe and the mufflers, everything's getting put in new stuff. There's 3 exhaust hangers that I can see right now. That's Jason. Say hi.
Alright, so what I did, we took the center section out. What we did was unbolted it from the cats. Then we unbolted it from both hangers, or from both exhaust mufflers, because there's only one hanger, which is right here, that holds on this whole piece. But then there's 2 hangers that hold on each muffler, so it's going to be easier to get the muffler off if this isn't still attached. So we took that off. So this is looking forward on the car. So that's from the cat, and then it goes all the way back around here, and then it splits to one muffler and the other. So we took the one center section off. Now we just have to get the 2 mufflers off of the hangers, and then we will be able to start installing that. If you ever wondered why Subarus get so loud when you put an exhaust on it, that's the stock muffler, and then this is like what most people put on. So obviously that's going to be a lot quieter than this one, but it's kind of interesting to see them next to each other. Alright, we have the mufflers in and the Y pipe all the way up to the rear axle. Now from that junction to the original cats, there's no hangers. So we've left everything back here loose, so that way we can get in, get that piece in, and then we will tighten everything up once it's all hanging where it should be. So, see you in a second. Alright, so we're just tightening up the last bolt here. Had a little problem because He-Man over here has a problem with over-tightening these bolts and snapping them in half. But that's the last bolt's going on there. And if you look, going all the way back, everything else is all tightening on the hangers, ready to go. So we're about to fire it up to check for any exhaust leaks, but first we're going to clean off all this stuff like this, so it doesn't leave any marks on the exhaust when we start it up. So give it a second, I'll have to start it for you. Alright guys, so the car's still up in the air. We're going to start it and walk under it, see if we can't hear any exhaust leaks. Feel, make sure no air is escaping anywhere other than the back, and I'm gonna give you first startup for it right now, so just hang on. Here we go. Are we good? Yeah, go ahead. Getting warm up there. Alright, it looks good, man. Go shut off. Maybe give it a tiny little rev first. See how much trouble we get in for a rev. Oh, that's the weakest rev ever. Alright, turn it off. Alright guys, so that's it for the install. We're gonna get it off the lift now, And I think we're going to go take it for a couple of a drive, see how it sounds. It's quiet. Alright, so here's the first ride. It's kind of mellow tone actually. It's not Subaru in your face so much. Let's see what. It's quiet. Sounds good. From outside it kind of sounds like a little bubble. Did you hear that?
It's not gonna make so hard.
No. It's not gonna piss your neighbors off that bad. What exhaust is this? Invidia. It's the Invidia N1 with the 2 pipes. We should totally go to Mexico and race them. Mexico. It's legal to street race in Mexico. So we should take your Subaru and my Subaru to Mexico and street race. Holy crap. Hey, there's another Subaru. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're still here, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.